Mabuhay and good day to all. I am Ronald Bugarin reporting on a very important social marketing campaign of Love Yourself in the rollout of self-care through community-powered social media campaigns. The implementation of self-care is a significant step in the HIV response in the Philippines as this is the first of its kind which revolutionized the access of HIV testing in the Philippines. HIV cases in the Philippines has consistently increased in the past years, which reached 112,028 reported cases of infection from 1984 to February 2023. Based on data provided by the Department of Health and Epidemiology Bureau, key population that has been affected by HIV are men having sex with men as well as transgender women. Due to the alarming increases of HIV cases across the world, the Joint United Nations Programme on HIV/AIDS or UNAIDS has formulated a plan to end HIV and AIDS by 2030. Through their 1990 targets, UNAIDS recommends that 90% of the country knows their HIV status, has access treatment for people living with HIV, and are now virally suppressed to achieve the 2030 plan. In terms of the Philippine performance for this target, it is only at 68% of the total population that knows their HIV status, which is why the World Health Organization has recommended self-testing as another differentiated testing option, especially for key populations who are afraid to get tested at the center or have difficulty going into one, especially during the pandemic. The campaign involves multiple levels of stakeholders. For the primary audience of the campaign, these are men having sex with men and transgender women aged 18 and above who do not know their HIV status and cannot access HIV testing services from centers easily. While the tertiary stakeholders include the World Health Organization or WHO, the Department of Health, local government units, as well as private partners who supply the testing kits, as well as provide access to prevention and treatment services from the centers. And finally, the secondary partners are Love Yourself Incorporated and Filipino Shell Foundation Incorporated, who provides the organizational backbone as well as the push to advocate for these services to be easily accessed by the target audience. We must acknowledge that there are a multitude of social factors that contribute to an individual's risk or protection from acquiring a disease. Therefore, HRV services to be effective must address two distinct needs. One is their practical needs, which involves providing the actual biomedical concerns such as access to prevention prophylaxis as well as HIV treatment. And the second is the personal needs, which guides clients towards self care and psychosocial sustainability. The key messaging is designed to address both simultaneously to have a successful HIV test self-testing campaign rollout. The campaign clearly recognizes that demand generation for self-care can only be successful if this is powered by the affected community. Love Yourself understand that communities are not just receivers of the campaign, but should be the architect of the communication paradigm. This is why the organization held focus group discussions with target audience to formulate the communication campaign strategy for self-care, which is anchored on the WHO recommendations for effective behavioral interventions. Based on the discussions, Love Yourself devised key communication strategy on lifestyle and pleasure-based as well as empowering messaging. They want to empower their target audience to decide for themselves and not just because it is dictated to them that knowing their status through self-care gives them the power to take control of HIV. To reach target audience effectively, Love Yourself employed the IDA marketing funnel to map target audience's journey and analyze what can be employed to influence potential clients at each stage, from awareness to action. This also helped in understanding the best platforms and timing based on target audience's technographics. Whether target audience is aware that there is a problem with possible solution, or interested in self-testing, or express desire to evaluate if self-testing is good for them, or eventually decides to avail of self-care, The campaign can only be successful if Love Yourself has a clear understanding of how to engage their target audience from any of the stages. Aside from taking into account target audience's journey to accessing self-care, Love Yourself also employed key messaging of education by providing correct information on HIV and self-testing, entertainment that will catch their attention and inspiration to empower them to take care of their sexual health via self-care. Love Yourself has also enlisted social media and showbiz personalities that our target audience may resonate with, trust, or even catch their attention to entice them to access self-care services. In practice, key messages should be customized to the tone of different generations. Like for Gen Z and Gen Alpha, focus is on authenticity and diversity and prioritizes engagement over mere presence. Messaging should be more approachable rather than directive, and that self-testing is a positive lifestyle choice that impacts their life for the better and that it is safe, private, and convenient way of knowing your HIV status are some of the messaging that was employed for this campaign. Here is a video campaign released across self-care social media platform featuring Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray to explain what self-care is and how it can affect target audience's sexual health.
Hi, I'm Catriona Gray and I'll be showing you in this video how easy it is to use your self-care kit. HIV is a manageable health condition. There is no cure, but there is treatment. Do not let HIV take control of you. You take control of HIV. It's easy to know your status. Self-care, safe, and secure.
The results of this community-powered campaign has been remarkable. Since implementing this plan in October 2020, there was a 1,012% increase in uptake for self-care. By December 2022, self-care social media pages reaches over 513 clients with 20,043 accessing self-care kits and with a reactivity rate of 6% among those who reported the results via self-care's online messenger platform. More importantly, 39% were first-time testers and over 90% of those who tested reactive were successfully enrolled in treatment. The success of self-care campaign heavily relied on community engagement in tailor-fitting the messaging that will entice target audience to access self-care. This may include educating, entertaining, and inspiring them, as well as understanding clearly that messaging should take into account what target audience want, how, and where to reach them. This will ensure prolonged engagement and eventual regular access to self-care. You may check out the Facebook page of Self-Care for more details on the campaign through the links shown here as well as the references used for this presentation. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig and I hope with this presentation of Self-Care campaign, we see the value of involving the community in developing HIV services tailor-fit to their needs and what works for them.